Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to hide out of stock products in WooCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So if you have not already, go ahead and log in, and after logging in successfully, opening up your website, here in the home page you'll be able to access all the sections you need on the left side screen, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, to go ahead and open up WooCommerce, we're going to click the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen. That's going to enable us to go ahead and set up our store if you have not already, and if you have your store set up, then you can get started hiding your out of stock products. And this is how to do it. And basically guys, here in this article we can take a look at how to hide out of stock products. This is going to go ahead and give us the step by step. So basically this is what we want to do. You want to go ahead and scroll down to find the steps right here. By using the built-in WooCommerce options, this is going to enable us to hide them. So what we want to do guys is going to WooCommerce as I just showed you and go into the settings option. By clicking the settings option and then clicking products, this is going to go ahead and enable you to open up your inventory. So under your inventory guys, you can see that there is going to be an option that says out of stock visibility, and in the out of stock visibility option guys, you want to click hide out of stock items from the catalog. So you want to make sure you click this option right here, and once you have opened it up guys, just save your changes by exiting out, and now all your products that are out of stock are going to be hidden from your store, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.